Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, return to the normal desktop and get rid of tiles in Windows 10. Click Settings. Click System. Click Tablet. Select Never Use Tablet Mode, under When I Sign In. Click Sign Out. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.